what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in Pennsylvania. So all you have to do is head over to fns.usda.gov. From here, just click on programs, then click on SNAP. And to proceed, click on how to apply. Then to start, you're going to select your state. And in this case, we're just going to look for Pennsylvania, then click on it. And from here, if you scroll down, you can see here options on ways to do your application. So you can do an online application just by clicking on this link, and this will redirect you to Compass page. And to get started, just click on Apply Now button, and you will get an overview of the online process. Just proceed. So for this question, we're just going to select no, then proceed, and choose who you're doing this application for. Then proceed. And you will be asked if you already have an existing Compass account, and you can just proceed. And this is where you can start your online application. In the left panel, you can see the progress bar, and here are all the details and information you're going to need to provide. Or you can just head back to USDA page, and from here you can also do fill out an application form. Just choose the language that you prefer, and from here you're just going to need to fill out this form. Then once done, you can just submit this form on your local SNAP office. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!